Hello everyone. In this video presentation, I would like to discuss about the upside Tasuki gap candlestick formation. This formation is the continuation candlestick formation, and with that, if you observe or come across such type of the patterns on daily or weekly or monthly or any intraday kind of the time frames like 5, 15, 20, half an hour, 1 hour, any kind of the time frame selected. If you observe over here, you may little bit of the cautious, and it is a continuation trend. Before entering into this video presentation, I request everyone to go through the disclaimer once. This content is designed simply for informational and educational purpose, not recommendations or tips offered to any of the person, group or individual for the particular stock, future and options. Before taking any position, please consult your financial advisor or do your own individual research. We don't accept any kind of the profit and loss by occurring usage of this video presentation. Now let us enter into the discussion part. The upside Tasuki gap, for that I have selected, recently Airtel stock has formed the upside Tasuki gap kind of. It is a three candlesticks structure. The upside Tasuki gap pattern is formed when a series of candlesticks have demonstrated the following. The first candlestick is a large blue, white or blue candlesticks with a defined uptrend. The second bar is another blue candlestick with an opening price that has gapped above the close of the previous candlestick. Here it is in form as a small candlestick. If for example only I have chosen this Airtel script, it is not, don't consider it 100% upside Tasuki gap. The second candlestick is another blue candlesticks with an opening price that has gapped above the close of the previous candlesticks. If you observe over here, this close is higher than previous close. The last is the red candlesticks that closes within the gap between the two bars. It is important to note that the red candle does not need to fully close the gap. In technical analysis charting, it is not uncommon to see the price of an asset closing a price gap previously created. Sometimes traders get ahead of themselves and send the price higher too quickly, which can result in the slightly pullback. The red candlestick that forms the upside Tasuki is as a period of slightly consolidation before the bulls continue send the price higher. Uptrend indicator. The upside Tasuki gap can occur at any time during the bullish trending pattern. The bullish pattern typically follows the cycle that begins within a breakaway gap confining a reversal and then several runaway gaps followed by an exhaustion gap. As a candlestick pattern is trending higher, it will form an ascending channel. This channel is constructed by two positive sloping lines at the peak and lows levels of the candlestick pattern. It can be followed for an upside Tasuki gap to occur with an ascending channel that also includes a breakaway gap, runaway gaps and exhaustion gap. The upside Tasuki gap, also known as a bullish Tasuki or upward Tasuki gap, is a three candlestick continuation pattern. If you think they have spotted an uptrend, Tasuki started following this criteria. The meaning is the strength of the uptrend at the start of the Tasuki gap is conveyed that the gap open as escalating the price, which forms in a blue candle. However, this upward movement is followed by a pause. The bear are attempting to force the price down The upward movement is followed by the pass. The bears are attempted to force the price down, but they are unable to close the gap. From this, we conclude that the uptrend likely to continue. This one is the same the Airtel's asset price. If you observe over here on 10th September, it has formed 397 from the price level. It moved down or swing low to the price of 276.46 on 19th October. From there, the price has formed the double bottom. From there, it moves in the swing high and it closes around 336.90. From there, it moved down again the swing low. But if you remember over here, this low is not below this low. It is not exactly the low of this 276. It is closes above and it has formed the spinning top kind of the candlesticks. From there, it moves swing high. From there, it's consolidating in between the price range of 304 to the 322.64 kind of the levels. From there, it moved of the last 3 to 4 of the sessions. It moved to 336. It's consolidating, anticipating further the move or the resistance lies around. If the price moves above 336.90, the resistance is 351. If it is closes below 322 is the support where we can see as per the Fibonacci levels. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good and safe trading.